Okay children, so we have learned the 7 basic symbols as is used in Roman numerals, and then the rules for writing Roman numerals. Okay, so now I am going to give you some Roman numerals from 1 to 39, and then 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, 1 to 39 you should know thoroughly. And which were the 3 letters that they used to write from 1 to 39? It was letter I, letter V and letter X. I is 1, V is 5 and X is 10. Okay, so we will start children. I want you to draw 2 columns. The first column you will write Roman numeral, and the normal numbers you call it as a Hindu Arabic numeral. Hindu Arabic numeral. Okay children, so starting with I. What was I? It was 1. And how did we write 2? It was I is equal to 2. And how did we write 3? I. This is how we wrote 3. Yes children? So how did we get 2? It was 1 plus 1. How did you get 3? 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay children? Now, how was 4? It was IV. That is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. You can write I before V, means it is 5 minus 1. Then we had V, that is equal to 5. Then 6 was VI, that is 5 plus 1. Clear children? Then we had VII, that is 7, 5 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, we had 8, VI. 3 times we have written I, 8, that means it is 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. With 5 add 1, you get 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Now, how did we write 9? We know X is 10. So if you put I before X, it becomes 9, which means it is 10 minus 1. Clear children? Now if I put I after X, it is 11, means it is 10 plus 1. Okay? Then XI means it is 12, that is 10 plus 1 plus 1. Now put XII means it is 13, which is 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Clear children? Now how will you write 14? We cannot repeat I anymore. So what can we do? I can write XIV. What is IV? What was IV? Children, IV was 4 and you know X is 10. So I can write it as 10 plus 4. That's how I got 14. X is 10, IV is 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. Okay. Children, here you will not add it separately like 10 plus 1 plus 5. You will not add it like that. You will add the 2 digits together. We know IV means it is 4. So 10 plus 4, that's equal to 14. Clear? Next 15 is 10 plus 5. So you get 15. 10 plus 5. Once again I am telling you, here you should not add the digits separately, that is 10 plus 1 plus 5 will not give you 14. You have to read that I and V together, that is 4. So 10 plus 4 you will get 14. Then how will you get 16? We know 6 is VI, right? So 10 plus 6 will give you 16. 10 plus 6 will give you 16. Now 17. We know 7 is VII, right? So this becomes 10 plus 7, that gives you 17. Clear, children? Next, what is 18? VIII. So that is 18, that is 10 plus 8 gives you 18. Okay, children? Then you have 19. We know 9 is IX. 9 is IX. So 10 plus 9 will give you 19. 10 plus 9 will give you 19. Okay? How will you write 20? We know X is 10. So you put 2X, that gives you 20. That is 10 plus 10 gives you 20. Now you will use these two X together for writing from 21. Because XX is 20. If I want to write 21, I will write XXI, that is 20 plus I. Get 10 plus 10 plus 1, that is 21. Okay. Now if I write 22, XXII, this is 22, that is 10 plus 10 plus 1. Plus 1, or you can write plus 2 also. Now this is X plus X, I gives you 23, means 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, or you can also write it as 10 plus 10 plus 3 gives you 23. Now 24, X 4. How do you write 4? IV. This is 24, gives you 10 plus 10 plus 4. XV, that is 25, 10 plus 10 plus 5. Children, then you have 26, 10 plus 10 plus 6. 6 is written as VI. 27, VII. 27, that is 10 plus 10 plus 7. We have X 28. This is 28, that is 10 plus 10 plus 8. And then you have 29, that is X. How do you write 9? IX. This is 20 and this is 9. So 29. 10 plus 10 plus 9 gives you 29. Understood, children? So till 29 we have written. Then how do you write 30? X. This is 30. So you get 10 plus 10 plus 10, that gives you 30. Understood, children? Now using these 3x, you will start writing from 31 till 39. Okay, you know how to write from 1 to 9. You will use that letter and you will use this 3 letters for 30. Now you cannot repeat this x any further. You have already repeated it 3 times. So XXXI, means it is 31. So that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1. Okay. X, I. That is 32, which is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. That is 32. Then how to write 33? X, I. 33. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. To copy this into your notebooks, children. Now X, I, V. That is 34. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. Okay. X, V. That is 35. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. X, 6. That is 36. You get 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6. Children, 37. This is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 7. Okay. X. You get 38. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 8. X, 9. So it gives you 39, which is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. So using the three letters I, V and X, we have written the numbers from 1 to 39. Now after 39 it's 40. How can you write 40? Can you write X 4 times? No. So what is our next option? We have learned in the 7 basic symbols that L is 50. Yes children, L is 50. So I am going to put an X before L. X before L means it is 50 minus 10. L is a bigger value. I put X before that, means 50 minus 10, that is equal to 40. So 40 can be written as XL, that is 40. 50 minus 10. Understood children? L is 50. Now I put X after L gives me 60, that is 50 plus 10. Again I put 2x after L gives me 70, which is 50 plus 10 plus 10. Then I put 3x after L, which is 80, that is 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. How to write 90? Again here X is already repeated 3 times, we can't repeat it again. But we have learned that what was 100? What was 100 children? The 100 letter was C. I am going to put X before C. It becomes 90, that is 100 minus 10. I put X before C, I got 100 minus 10, which is 90. Understood? See here you have 40. We had L here. I put X before L. So it was 50 minus 10. I got 40. Then I put X after L. 50 plus 10, 60. Then I put 2X after L. 50 plus 10, 10. That is 70. I put 3X after 10. That is 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is 80. Now since we can't repeat X more than 3 times, then I have C. C is 100. So if I put an X before C, then I can write 100 minus 10, that is equal to 90. Understood children? So this much you should know. 1 to 39 you should know all the numbers, how to write in Roman numerals. Then you should know 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay children? Please keep watching this video again and again and be thorough with the Roman numerals. Thank you, children.